It is always good to treat the hair with oil because it has a lot of benefit to the hair and overall hair growth. Treating the hair with oil prevents dandruff, prevents split ends, strengthens hair, and also protect the hair. Before we get into the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comments are also welcome. So in this video, I'm using some rosemary. Rosemary boosts hair growth. It also treats dandruff and scalp irritation because of its antibacterial qualities. It also prevents hair loss and improves scalp health. I also have some hibiscus, and hibiscus also prevents hair loss, prevents dandruff, conditions hair, premature growing of hair. So we want our hair to be dark and so beautiful. So we use all these ingredients. And the last one I used was cloves. Cloves also enhance blood circulations. It also helps stimulate blood flow to the scalp and promote hair follicles, and also has nutrients that nourish the hair follicles and support hair health. So I put them in a blender. I blend everything. Here we need a jar or a small glass. So I blended everything together and then I put them in this glass. And this is my carrier oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil and it was not enough, so I added another olive oil too. You can use any oil of your choice. And I'm using my spatula, or you can use a small spoon to mix everything together. And with this video, we are doing the double boiler method. So with low heat, we put our glass in the water. Okay, the water is already boiled, and then we minimize the heat as it in the water. So here we leave it on for like 10 minutes, and then we continue to stir. And here the time is up. We have to bring it out, let it sit for like 24 hours. But for the purpose of the video, maybe like an hour. You continue with your daily activities and then you come back and then you strain. So here it has settled and we are going to strain so that we get our oil. That's what we want. So we are going to extract the oil, and I'm using a cheesecloth. You can use any mesh that is good for you so that we take away all the chaff and from the oil. Yeah. So here I'm using my cheesecloth. So we strain everything and leave the residue back, and we are going to use that for something else. Okay, don't throw this away. We can use it again. Yes, so don't throw it away. We are going to use it again. We put it back into the glass and then we work on our oil. So this is the amount of oil I was able to extract. It's so clean from the residue or from the chaff, and then we are going to store it in our container. So if you like what I am doing, please kindly subscribe to my channel to support my work, so that each and every time we can bring you the best video that you are looking for. So here I use the cover, and I'm going to show you. I was able to get 2 bottles of it. Yes, that's okay. We are going to use for a long time for myself and the kids. So here I was moisturizing the hair, and it was time for me to apply my oil. So this is us. We are applying the oil to the scalp, to the strands, to the ends. You have to pay attention to those parts. We don't want split ends. We want the hair to be nourished, the hair follicles to prevent flakes, to prevent dandruff. And then when you put the oil on the hair, please, you massage it into the hair. And this is the result after everything was dry. See, the hair is so shining and healthy. See you in our next video on how we moisturize the hair. God bless you. Bye.